Today I'm going to show you how to make this interlocking text effect in Canva. After opening new project, just change the background color to any color. Go to text, add new text. Type your text and change the font to Anton. Change the color to white and increase the size. Make it in the middle. Choose the italics style and rotate 10 degrees. Add new text. Change the font to Le Jour Script. Change the color. Let's choose the pink. And rotate 10 degrees as well. And place it. Copy just this one, add new page and paste. Download as PNG with transparent background, just this one. Upload it. Go back to the first page and delete this text. Use the new image, resize and crop the corners. Go to layers and send backward. Use another one, resize it to fit the page and crop the image. Duplicate and show this part. Duplicate again. And make this part behind this letter. Duplicate and show this part. And download again. Download the first page as PNG with transparent background. Upload and drag the image that you want to use. Replace background and drop your image. Resize it and apply the shadow. Drop shadow, decrease the distance, increase a little bit the intensity, and here is the final results. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.